Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you're hearing my voice, God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. May God bless you as you do so. Yes. Our governor of Rivers State, Wike, said, I quote, Governor Wike said the federal government to arrest other leader, be you bandit or handsome men, any other leader that is causing problem in Nigeria, not to arrest Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the best. If they fail not to arrest other leaders, that to show that federal government is playing hanky-panky game against some part of Nigeria. That's tribalism, big hatred. So they have to do things normal, equal, to show maximum respect for all tribe of Nigeria. 2, key other tribe, and to leave other tribe. That to show the sign of hypocrisy, hatred in other part, being eastern of Nigeria. So they have to do the right thing by arresting other members or other group, so that it will be balanced justice. May God help us in our country, being Nigeria. Yes, this is only man I respect in Eastern politics, who is always stand to defend his people, to speak the right thing at a right time. He quote, "There's no matter how Igbo politician disown his own distance themselves from Biafra inauguration, it will not stop the North for seeing them as IPOB. No matter how being Eastern politicians disown themselves or give themselves this distance for anything concern Biafrans because of their political careers, there is no how the Northerner must see you people as IPOB, Easterner, Igbos. Area Igbo stand to defend who you are, not to disown who you are. Area Igbo stand to defend who you are. Is the time that it will be beneficial for us. If Biafra want to go, you people should stop all those hanky-panky game, being a political career of a thing that will make you people not to stand to defend your own country. No matter how, it cannot be a Hausa man, it cannot be a Northern man, it cannot be a Western man. You are always Eastern man. No matter how, after your political career, you will still come back to the East. Or after your political career, will you go to North and live? No, you must come back to where you belong. My brothers and sisters, let us stand up in time and do the right thing by defending who you are. This message goes to our leaders, Eastern leaders. Area you people stand up to defend your territory. It will be better for all, because after your political career, you will step down because you can never be there forever. So may God help us. Kenya High Commission to Nigeria said the allegation that Kenya has held in the arrest of Nnamdi Kanu, and if anybody with evidence to meet them, ICC court. May God help us. Mr. Kenya High Commissioner, all fingers are pointing at the Kenya Special Police Force that arrest Nnamdi Kanu on 18th of June. He cannot deny because all fingers are pointing at Kenyan government. We cannot say anything yet until we hear from horse's mouth. That is only where we know what transfer between Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the story that goes all finger pointing with the Kenyans. May God help us. Wahala be like bicycle. When Lagos State Police Command said that anybody that they find out on Saturday that move, say they want to demonstrate or protest against Yoruba nation, should be put to book by arrest anybody. Imagine when they burst out with the traditional rulers, traditional dressing, being their mothers. What have the police commissioner do? They did nothing. Instead, they say that they just come out to make sure that the protest moves successful. That they want to make sure that the hoodlums do not hijack the protest. Can't imagine. But this is what they said, that if they found anyone, they must be put to book. They must arrest him. Yeah? They come out and they do their protest successful. That is not like to stop them, or to do that, or to do this, or to frustrate them, for them not to carry up their operative. Eh? But if it's the Easterner, our leaders will be the one. We will be the one to sabotage IPOB. The leaders, the governors, the senators, they will be the one to sabotage the IPOBs for them not to carry the operation successful. But Yoruba people now, they did not sabotage their people. Instead, they even encourage them to make sure that everything went successful. Can't you see who is fooling who? Is it Nigerians that fooling Nigerians? I be the leaders are not fooling the people they are governing. May God help us. Imagine Gani Adams cry out. Bandit, meaning our gold. They are even taking gold in Yoruba land. Helicopters drop guns and food for them. Imagine helicopter, Nigerian government use helicopter go and drop food for bandits. Then they will come to the eastern side to arrest innocent people. Who is fighting for the hungry bread? But they are the same people who supporting bandits and finding handsome men by using their helicopters to drop guns for them in the bush and food. And they will come to the eastern side to arrest anybody who stand to cry out for his freedom. They will arrest him, persecute him, put him to jail. May God help us. Whatever you heard my voice, please don't forget to subscribe and support your brother. May God bless you.